Want to project your Android device's screen to your Mac so you can see things on a larger screen? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to screen mirror your Android to a Mac computer. Now let's get started. Screen mirroring between Android and Mac is made easy with a free software called Reflector. To download it, go to airsquirrels.com/reflector. Click Try in the top right corner. You'll see Reflector 3 for Mac listed as a download option. Click Download Free for 7 days. Once the download is complete, click on the download at the bottom of your browser window. Allow the installer to run. Then, drag the Reflector icon into your Applications folder. Double-click the Reflector icon to launch the software on your Mac. Then click Try Reflector. Now, grab your Android and open the built-in Google Home app. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Cast Screen/Audio. Then tap the Cast Screen/Audio button. A list of available devices will appear. Tap the name of your Mac to connect your Android to the Reflector software. Now you'll see your Android screen appear on your Mac. Do whatever you want to show from your Android on your Mac computer. When you want to stop mirroring, open the Google Home app on your Android and tap Disconnect. That's all it takes to screen mirror your Android device to your Mac computer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.